welcome back to another video, y'all. Before we get started today, go ahead and subscribe right now. Like up the video, comment down below after watching the video, share the video, and mostly importantly, turn on y'all post notification bells in order to be notified each time your girl drop a new video for y'all. And that's on what? Period, okay? Period. Okay, as y'all can see by the title, I'm about to do another Shein, huge Shein try on haul for y'all today. So I hope y'all ready for that. I couldn't help myself, y'all. I had to get some more Shein stuff, okay? Because they be having some fire stuff. Shein is a hit or a miss. Sometimes they got good stuff, sometimes they got bad stuff. So you gotta be careful and cautious on what you get, you know? And gotta make sure you look at the material too when you order stuff, because the sizes may be off. It depends on what you get. So make sure y'all be looking out on the sizes. And I will be putting everything that I try on for y'all in the description box. So in case y'all want to order it, it'll be in the description. Follow me on Instagram and Patreon and stuff. Patreon is in my description. Y'all already know, okay? And I will make it clear again about my Patreon at the end of the video. So make sure y'all stay tuned, okay? Because this video about to be lit. No, I'm not about to show y'all. I'm gonna just try everything on, because I ain't trying to edit a long video this time, okay? I'm trying to keep it short and sweet for y'all, period. Oh yeah, somebody commented a rude comment, and I read it. I read every comment, so if you're gonna try to comment a rude comment, you better think about it, because your comment have to be approved by me. I have to review the comments, okay? So if you think your comment gonna make it into the comment section, you got another thing coming, especially if you're being rude about your comment. So think twice, okay? Period. Period. Anyway, y'all, we about to get into this video, so stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. First up is this striped cami romper. As y'all can see, it's super comfortable. It's stylish. It's nice for the summer. It's stretchy, y'all. It's real stretchy. I think I got this in a size large. Yeah, in a size large, I got this romper. It fits the curves real nice. So, I think I'm gonna get this a 10 right here, y'all. A 10. I like it. I like this. You can wear some sneakers with this, or you can wear some heels with it, however you choose to, okay? This is versatile. You can wear it with sneakers or with heels. It don't matter. So, I think I'm gonna get this a 10, y'all. What y'all think? A 10 or no? This is a 10. I like it. Okay, y'all, next up is this beautiful overall jumpsuit, black. These are so comfortable, y'all. Very, very comfortable. I had to stand up on a chair just to show y'all how they look, y'all. So excuse it if you don't see my face, okay? I will be getting off of this chair soon, so be patient. So they're kind of flared. This is the back. And of course, I paired it with this mock neck red bodysuit, y'all. So So, y'all excuse them noisy ass neighbors. Like, they always noisy. But anyway, this is the bodysuit that I paired with it. Of course, I probably would not wear a red with it. I probably wear a black or a white shirt under this. So, it's just something I just threw on, okay? Super cute. I love this bodysuit. It's so freaking, I mean, not bodysuit. Yeah, bodysuit and jumpsuit. It's cute. I'm messing with this. It's comfortable. I like how it has the zipper. Super cute and classy. You don't have to wear it necessarily like this. You can wear it crisscross if you choose to. So next up is this crop top with this romper, black and brown romper. Y'all, this is so fire. It's cute. As y'all can see, it says California, period. Gotta rep my city, California, okay? And my wig look lopsided. Have to fix that a little bit, okay? So don't come for me. Anyway, it's a short romper, y'all. It came with this, what is it called? Hold on. High-low hem crop tee, okay? So it's short in the front and kind of longer in the back. I really like this. It's stylish for the summer. You can wear it for spring too. I like it. Throw some white sneakers on with this and go on about my day. Okay, call it an outfit, call it a day. California. It's real stretchy. I think I got this in the large. Yeah, I probably got this in the large. I rated it a 10. I love it. Y'all let me know in the comments, what do y'all rate it though? What y'all get is. Next up, y'all, is this beautiful two-tone tank high dress. Split dress. This is so fire, y'all. It's so cute. It's comfortable. It's stretchy. I got this in a large. It fits me really nice. Of course, I have to stand up on a chair so that y'all can see the whole thing. So, the split comes all the way up here. Super sexy, y'all. This is cute. I'm loving it. It's so comfortable. Y'all can wear this for the summertime, spring, whatever you like, okay? It's pretty long. So, I'm gonna step off the chair so y'all can see, okay? How the top look up top. Very, very sexy, y'all. This is cute. It's comfortable and stylish, okay? Can't nobody tell me nothing in this. Nothing. So I rate this a 10. I like it. I like this. I like how it has a split on the left side. And I like the two-tone, the red and the black. Rocking my favorite color, red, duh. Y'all, so next up is this beautiful tie-dye drop shoulder t-shirt. I think that's what it's called, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all, this is giving me popsicle vibes. Y'all know the big sticks? Y'all know them big sticks like back in the day when they used to be long and big? It's giving me big stick popsicle vibes. This is so cute. It's comfortable. I like it. It's cute. I call this big stick. The big stick. The big stick outfit. It's so comfortable. The material is so nice and soft, y'all. This material is so soft and comfortable. I like this. They had other colors too, y'all, but I chose to get this one because I like it. It reminds me of a popsicle, a big stick popsicle, okay? So it comes with the biker shorts, and this is the drop shoulder tee. I think that's what it's called, if I'm not mistaken, but the picture will be over here somewhere so y'all can see. So I rated it a 10. I like it. Oh yeah, the last one, I mean the one that I tried on before, that blue jumpsuit, I give it a 10. Okay? I think I rated it. I forgot if I rated it or not, but you know, I give it a 10. I give everything I try on a 10. Yeah, y'all can call this the popsicle. The big stick popsicle. Next up is this bodycon mock neck money dress. This is so cute, y'all. This is fire. I like this. As y'all can see, it's kind of see-through. So y'all gonna have to wear something seamless under this so that you can't see nothing under it. Because it's see-through, okay? This is cute. I like this. It's kind of short, so you might have to size up like I did. I got this in a large, I believe. All they have is small, medium, large. That's it. So this is really nice. As y'all can see, it has some bell sleeves going on. This is fire. Straight fire right here. I like this. I rate this a 10. I love it. So like I said, you're gonna have to size up a little bit if you want to dress a little bit longer, because when I was reading the reviews, I was looking at the pictures of the women with this dress on, and some of them was short, some of them was a little bit longer, so you probably gonna have to size up in this, like I did, y'all, because I'm tall, I'm 5'7", so yeah. Super duper cute. Yes, yes. Next up is this mesh mock neck dress. So freaking cute, y'all. I think I got this off the Flash. Yeah, I got it off the Flash sale. I forgot how much it was, but I liked it. I thought it was cute. It's a little short, so you might have to pull it down a little bit. Super cute. As y'all can see, the sleeves are mesh. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 10. I love it. I like everything that I bought from Shein. Even though it looked way better in person. If y'all see me in person, it look better in person. It's comfortable, it's cute, it's stylish. The back is also mesh. last but not least, is this beautiful, beautiful burgundy drop shoulder hoodie, velvet hoodie with the velvet pants. So cute, y'all. This is a beautiful color, okay? As y'all can see, it has a split on the side. And on the other side, it has a split. It's comfortable, it's stylish. And y'all, it's just perfect, like, for the spring. So, so cute. It might be a little hot, but it's still giving, okay? It's not that hot. It's kind of a little bit thin, but thick, kind of, at the same time. That makes sense. It's still cute. I like it. They had other colors on there too, y'all. This ain't the only color. Super cute. I like this. I definitely got to go back on there and get me some more colors, okay? Because I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So I give it a 10. I give everything I tried on today for y'all a 10. Okay? I know this wig ain't giving today, y'all, so excuse the wig. It's tripping today. Like, it's acting up. Okay? So I guess it's time for me to get a new wig. A new one. Something else. You know? But y'all let me know what y'all think about this one, okay? Super cute. All right, y'all. So that concludes all of the video for today. I do hope y'all enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, like I said in the beginning. Like the video. Comment down below. What was y'all favorite outfit that I tried on? Let me know in the comments what y'all rated or whatever. Follow me on Instagram. Patreon will be in the description. Okay. OnlyFans will be right here, right now. So go on over there because it's too lit over there. Too lit, period. Okay. Anyway, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I hope to see y'all in my next one soon. Peace.